Yes, we are doing so welcome to this promising episode. I said I'll be coming with it very soon. Today we are going to talk about what we call the success strategies, and this one is very clear. We start with introduction to success strategy, enhancing effective information retrieval. The overview of what we're going to talk about is definition of success strategy, important applications, research question development, keyword identification, then database selection. Those are the stuff that we are going to talk about tonight. Let's go and define what is such strategy. Systematic plan used to locate relevant information. Involves structured methods for identifying, retrieving, relating information. Uses keywords, operators, databases to return results. Not the importance. We have improved accuracy and the versions saves time and effort. Expenses versus quality. Reduces information overload. Support academic integrity. No applications like we are applying it is stuff like academic writing assignment, research, evidence-based decision making, professional and workplace research, online information retrieval like Google Scholars, database, and the rest of it. All those like now online information retrieval, we can go to Google Scholars online and we see how we can let me say for example we are going to go online and I saw for you how we can do something to do with the teenage pregnancy. Mm, let's go and we see what you can do with what is called teenage pregnancy. I saw to you whenever we see you come to you go to let me say here Google Scholar on Google Scholar. So Google Scholar now let me say I want teenage teenage pregnancy teenage pregnancy we go and search for it. You see this it will bring for you more detailed information on how you can handle this kind of stuff. And you can see the teenage pregnancy, the articles, like you can see the citation, every sources, everything is now here. Like you can come and press on it like anything you can press on. Come here, you press on it to bring for you what you like you. The teenage pregnancy it will bring for you all those results that like you can see. And it's very clear. You see all this information like coming up, all talking about teenage pregnancy. So that's how you can handle. You can see the strategies. So that's how you can handle the information like on such strategy how you can apply to all those kind of stuff. Let's continue with our presentation like we can go and carry on with our presentation as usual. So this one we are done with it. We are done with the application. So now let's go to search question development. This is a process of formulating a clear focus and research our question that guides your study, that guides your study, it- that guides your study. It involves identifying topics, narrowing it down, and structuring it into a question that can be answered through investigation. So let's go and we see how we can handle this thing. So now is we can see like what we call research question development. You can cite any topic that you feel like citing, like let me say agriculture in Uganda, then you narrow it into the factors affecting agriculture in Uganda so that you get clearly the point of what you are trying to mean. Because like this one you have to pay into the point of what you are trying to mean, and it will help you to narrow yourself into the greater interest of what you are trying to mean or what you are learning. So it's very clear when we talk about this one. So let's proceed and talk about the keywords development, the process of identifying and generating words that represent the main concept of a research topic. What are keywords? Words or phrases that represent the main concept of research topic, used to improve accuracy and efficiency in information. For example, how does digital literacy affect academic performance among students? The keywords here are digital literacy and academic performance, just as we can see. So now go to what we call the database selection. Searching appropriate sources to retrieve information depends on subject, area, and research need. Types of databases we have academic like journals, we have library catalog, we have search engines, for example, we have Google Scholar, Ultimate, and the rest of it. So as we see, yes, as I said, we have example of the database selection. We have the this we have the Google Scholar, we have public information, and the rest of it. So we carry on with qualities of a good database. We have reliability, we have scalability, we have accessibility, we have performances and flexibilities. All those are qualities of a good database. Those are the stuff that a database must be of. So, madam reviewers, in conclusion, the full research strategy is essential for effective research. It involves planning, keywords, and proper tools, enhances quality and efficiency in information retrieval. Key skills are question development, keyword use, and the database. So thank you for going through with me in this session.